turn the volume and the stuff, make sure that it doesn't crackle.
Oh. Well,
As you can see, there's no static. Very nice.